Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker, and welcome to the course Deep Learning Instances and Frameworks on AWS. I am a cloud consultant and I help organizations plan, build, and implement custom software on AWS. I have over 10 years of experience using AWS, and I currently hold 4 different AWS certifications. Deep learning enables a new level of insights into data, but configuring custom compute resources to gain these insights can be extremely difficult. In this course, Deep Learning Instances and Frameworks on AWS, you will learn how to launch deep learning instances on EC2 and ECS. First, we will cover the types of deep learning AMIs that are provided by AWS. Next, we will analyze how to leverage popular deep learning frameworks on these instances. Finally, we will review how to manage and scale your deep learning activities on these instances. When you are finished with this course, you will be able to launch and utilize custom deep learning instances and leverage popular deep learning frameworks on AWS.